Need to fix Tubi error code 201? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari. Here in the address bar you need to search for Tubi TV outage. Head over to the very first site. In this page you can check whether the server of the Tubi application is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down. In that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now move into the App Store on a device. In the address bar, search for Tubi. Click on this application. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app. Once updated, now move into the settings. Head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, you need to search for the application Tubi. Once found, click on it. Now tap on Offload App and once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.